Hello guys! Welcome back to your favorite tech channel, Interior Tech Platinum. Today we're gonna go through the 10 smartest kitchen gadgets that every kitchen must have. Don't forget to watch till the end of the video and tell me which one from the list was your favorite. Let's go! Number 10. Butter Sprayer. The butter sprayer is a bottle-shaped device that is used to store cubic-shaped pieces of butter and is also used as a sprayer to spray the butter on any meal. For a person who likes to cook or just prepare a simple sandwich in the morning, you know exactly how important butter is, and adding the right amount could just be the key to making the perfect dish. But the problem with butter is that once you store it in the fridge, it becomes hard and tends to ruin the bread when being applied to it, or you might even need to fry it before being able to use it, which could end up burning it and ruining the taste of the food. But, by using this chargeable butter sprayer, only the required amount of butter would be applied to the meal you are preparing and not a drop less. Once you put butter in it, you can place it on the kitchen table or even in the fridge. The device is easy to use and can be washed easily after being used. Number 9. Geryon Vacuum Sealer Machine. The Geryon vacuum sealer is a very important machine to have in any smart kitchen. The device is used to create a vacuum with specially designed bags in which the food is stored. You can use the machine to store moist food or even just some leftover food from previous meals and have them kept airtight and ready to be used later. By putting the food in those airtight bags, you reduce the effect of freeze burn when stored in the fridge, and the fridge remains clean and free from spoilage. The Geryon machine is designed with the upper lid separate from the machine itself. This makes it removable and easy to clean. This vacuum sealer comes with 2 sealing modes which will best fit depending on the type of food you are preserving. The machine is designed with soft touch buttons on top which are very easy to operate. Number 8. Nicer Dicer Quick. We've all come across the experience of being frustrated when we need to cook, but we have to chop down a whole load of vegetables before we even begin the cooking part. You could literally spend 30 to 40 minutes just doing the cutting, especially if you have a couple of guests and you're not some Chinese ninja cooking machine. Now let me introduce you to the Nicer Dicer Quick. Like its cool name, it really does get the job done quickly, and get this, you won't even have to worry about chopping down your fingers or crying when you're cutting onions. The device comes with 5 interchangeable slicing options that you could use to slice directly into the cooking pan. The device also comes with its own container where you could store the chopped fruits, vegetables, or salad for later use. After using the device, you could remove the blades and clean them easily. It is so easy to use, but it wasn't designed to cut harder vegetables like carrots. Number 7. Precision Scale with a Timer. Are you always overestimating the amount of ingredients that you need to add to the dish and you end up cooking it wrongly? Or does it come with a taste that is not quite what you expected it to be? Well, this 6lb precision scale is here to solve that problem in a matter of split seconds. You can measure your ingredients to a 0.1 gram precision and not have to worry about over or underestimating the ingredients anymore. Once you put something on the scale, it takes only a split second to display the answer. The device itself is easy to use and anyone can read the digital display on the device. It is very simple to clean the device and it comes with a non-silicone mat to protect it from scratches and makes the device resistant to heat. Number 6. Ember Mug. The Ember Mug is known to be the world's first ever temperature-controlling mug. Not only was this mug designed to heat coffee, but it also comes with a unique design feature that allows the user to be able to control which temperature he or she prefers to drink the coffee. The device comes with an app that allows you to access all the features like setting the exact temperature, and when it reaches that temperature, the mug sends a notification to your smartphone or smartwatch telling you that your coffee is ready. Once the temperature is reached, the mug can sustain the temperature for as long as 90 minutes. You must be wondering, who drinks a cup of coffee for 90 minutes? I still think it's cool though. Once you've finished using the mug, you can simply wash it with water and then place it on its wireless charger for charging. The good thing about the device is that it has the intelligence of knowing when to turn on and when to turn off automatically. Number 5. Skillet's Universal Cordless Stir. Now imagine having a couple of friends or family come home for a small reunion or a party, and you promise to cook that famous delicious meal that everyone likes, and with a variety of many other dishes. Besides the fact that you're gonna need a bigger cooker with multiple plates, let's just pretend you already have one. Just imagine having to cook all those dishes all alone, or even if you have someone else to help, it's still not gonna be fun. Now let's introduce to you the technology that could help you from having a mental breakdown. The Skillet's Universal Self-Stirring Device is the solution that every home needs. This device solves this problem and does all the long minutes of stirring for you. You can simply place the device on each and every dish that requires stirring, whether it's rice, soup, or any other meal, it will get it done for you. You don't even need to worry about spillage as it comes with its own cover to prevent spillage, and you could adjust the speed to the required level. Number 4. iFlow Touchless Faucet. We all know how important it is to keep our hands clean, especially during a period like this with all the pandemic crisis around the world. The iFlow is a smart device that prevents you from always having to touch the faucet on taps. This device is the solution to reducing wasted water in the kitchen and can also prevent any leakages. The device is simply connected to any faucet, and it has a touchless sensor that automatically turns the water flow on and off as you move towards the faucet or away from the faucet. Besides the device's cool function of maintaining hygiene because it doesn't involve any physical contact once installed, you might be wondering if you would have to remove the device every time to recharge it. Well, this device comes with its own hydropower system which allows it to recharge every time water flows through it. It also comes with a backup battery just in case you don't use it for a long period of time. The device has 3 modes of functionality: Smart Mode, Non-Stop Mode, and Customized Mode. This allows you to select any mode that suits you best. Number 3. Black & Decker Steam Mop. The Black & Decker is the latest and most efficient cleaning device in the market right now. The device uses steaming technology to get rid of 99.9% of the germs. Not only is this device used to clean floors with its cool steaming system, it can be used to clean the kitchen cabinet, the sink, or basically any other surface, whether it's glass, wood, or stone. All you need to do is simply change the mode from mop to handheld cleaning. This will allow you to apply enough steam as much as you like without having the need to carry the mop. Besides the fact that it's not heavy at all you need is your hand and you can clean anything in your home or office. The device has the ability to adjust the amount of steam to the required level. The more steam used, the easier and faster the stains can be removed. You can easily maneuver the mop around the kitchen as it is very flexible and easy to use. Now, although this device doesn't technically have to be used only in the kitchen, but we all know how busy the kitchen gets, and nothing makes a home feel better than a clean kitchen. Number 2. Presto Electric Foldaway Skillet. The Presto Electric Foldaway Skillet is a cooking device with a 16-inch cooking surface with high side walls that provide more volume for the food being cooked. It is designed to cook different meals like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The device has a Control Master heat control which allows you to cook the food to a temperature of your choice, whether you just want to keep it warm or even cook it at a maximum temperature of 400 degrees, it will automatically retain that temperature. If you're worried that you don't know how to cook very well, or that the food might get stuck on the cooking surface when cooked at a high temperature, then that won't be a problem since it is designed with a non-stick finish surface both on the inside and the outside. This even makes washing it a lot easier when done cooking. The cooking pan can easily be detached from its base just by folding down its handles. This also makes the pan a perfect buffet server when entertaining. Number 1. Compact Cooker. The compact cooker is an automatic cooking pod that can do a whole lot more than just cook. It can steam, mix, stir, chop, grind, and a lot more. You could even blend your food while cooking by using its 4-blade knife in the same pod. This device can do anything that could be done in a kitchen, whether as cooking, baking, or grinding coffee beans, you name it. All you need to do is place the correct blade at the bottom and put the ingredients of your meal in the cooker, and then select from its 30 automatic cooking programs that are designed to make your life a whole lot easier. Because of its glass top, you can also see exactly what's happening inside. The 30 automatic cooking programs and 4 auto programs are what makes the user more comfortable with what is happening in the pod, as it allows you to select the temperature, speed, and time just by pressing a simple button and leaving everything else to the cooking pot. The device also comes with a steam basket that allows you to cook rice or vegetables like a master chef. Compact cooker is the only kitchen appliance that you need to replace other gadgets that end up filling up your kitchen. Well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. To watch more of our cool tech videos, just check the rest of the videos from our channel.